G'day folks, this is another S Group daily review video. This is video number 104, I believe. Um, just want to do this quick 5-minute daily review video to show you guys my earnings from last night. Came in 0.37, so I made $67.11 on the money I've invested. Um, yeah, it's great, guys. Things have gone up a little bit from Thursday and Friday. We had a couple low days. Going back here, 0.06. I only made $10.88, and 0.09 only made 16.31. What had happened, guys, is the bot that does the Forex trading. It got either in a state where it's doing a low trade, or it is totally disabled because the company is actually changing brokers that they're doing the Forex trading on. So that has been reinitiated yesterday, Monday, but the higher ups of the company, they did say Tuesday everything is going to be back to normal. They're going to bring back all the new features and bring back some of the features that they disabled from the last time, from like 2 weeks ago. So that'll be exciting. They're going to implement a couple new things in the back office as well. They're going to get into real estate. So there's a lot of exciting things to come in the near future, guys. So make sure you just keep your eyes on my videos as time goes along, so you can see all the necessary updates. Not too sure how the combine feature is going to work, guys. I mean, I heard stories where you can combine three times every 90 days. And then, but I wasn't too sure if that was on the older investments or the investments underneath 30 days, because mine are both under 30 days, because I've been combining once every 2 weeks. So I'm not sure if that's what that is entailing, but we'll have to see. We're going to have to get more clarification on that once the time does go on. But as you can see, my investments, they're both 17 days old. One is 23.2 and the other one's 400. So but if that's the case, I can let this run till 30 days, and once it reaches its 30-day maturity date, which I think is March 13th, I think it is. Yeah, March 13th. Once that time comes around, but both these investments, their monthly earnings will just shoot up right up to the top here, and I'll have access to it, so I can do whatever I need to do. I can pull all the money out or reinvest it back in, which is what I plan on doing, but we'll see how things go in the next 24 to 48 hours with this account. But as you guys can see, my principal is 23,600. So far I've got 651.31 in earnings. So as you guys can see, I'm over 24,000. So right there, that is about 24,250, and then I have another 100 up here. So 24,360, I'm somewhere around there, guys. So yeah, so I'm about 650 bucks away from the next tier, which is 25,000, guys. Of course, I'm going to be taking some of the money out. That'll be part of the procedure as well, and reinvesting some of the rest. I want to keep growing my account. My plan really is to get to 50,000. I think once I'm there, I might just keep it at 50,000, maybe reinvest 100, 200 every 2 weeks or a month or something real low to keep it moving. But I'm going to take the majority of it out. I might get into reinvesting some of the money back into S Pharmaceutical, SIPO, liquidity mining, one of those type of accounts, so I can have multiple streams of income as time goes on. But for now, I'm just going to be building up this Forex account, guys. Really excited for the new updates with the new brokers. Apparently, you will have an option to invest in a higher market, higher risk Forex trade, and so that will be available. I think there's a minimum investment of so much thousands of dollars, but that's something that we'll look into the updates as they come along in the next 24 to 48 hours, guys. So thanks for checking out my 5-minute daily review video. I'm just getting near the end. You can click on the subscribe button down below in the link to subscribe to my S Group account and team. and that way I can walk you through everything. If you have an email, shoot me an email in the description down below, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and see all the necessary updates and videos as time goes on. All right, so take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.